Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit the footer on your WordPress website in just a few minutes. Whether you want to tweak text, add links, or completely redesign it, this guide for 2025 makes it super easy, even if you're a beginner. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a few pro tips to make your footer look truly professional. Logging in first, open your browser and go to your WordPress site. Click on Login in the top right corner. For a faster and more secure login, you can select Continue with Google. Once authenticated, you'll be taken directly to your WordPress dashboard. Access the site editor from your dashboard, head to Quick Links and click on Edit Site. This opens the WordPress block editor where you can make changes directly to your website layout. Locate footer options. In the editor, click anywhere on your site layout to activate editing. Then, click the plus icon in the top left corner and type footer in the search bar. This quickly brings up all available footer templates. Select the footer design. Browse the footer templates and choose the one that fits your website style. Click on it to apply it to your site. Once applied, click the footer area to reveal additional editing tools. Add footer elements. Want to add more content? Click Add entry at the bottom right of the footer block. Here, you can insert text, links, or other elements. This is perfect for adding contact info, social media links, or copyright notices. Customize appearance on the right-hand panel. You can tweak fonts, colors, spacing, and margins. Make sure your footer aligns with your overall site design for a professional, cohesive look. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to edit your WordPress footer like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.